Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to this video. Today we're comparing three top home security systems in 2025: Cove, Vivint, and ADT. Each offers unique features tailored to different needs and budgets, so let's break down what sets them apart. Best for budget-friendly DIY security. Cove is an excellent choice if you're looking for an affordable, user-friendly system without long-term commitments. Installation. DIY setup, making it ideal for renters or those who prefer a hands-on approach. Monitoring. Professional monitoring starts at $17.99 per month. Equipment. Offers essential security devices including indoor, outdoor, and through a partnership with Eufy. Contracts. No contracts required, providing flexibility. Customer satisfaction, high ratings for customer service and ease of use. Have Vivint, best for smart home integration and advanced features. Vivint stands out for its advanced technology and seamless smart home integration, making it suitable for tech-savvy homeowners. Installation, professional installation ensures optimal setup. Monitoring, starts at $29.99 a month. Equipment, high-quality AI-powered devices with robust automation capabilities. Smart home integration, compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Z-Wave devices. Contracts, may require a contract if financing equipment. ADT, best for professional monitoring and brand trust. ADT is a long-standing leader in home security, offering comprehensive coverage and professional monitoring. Installation, professional installation available. Monitoring starts at $28.99 per month. Equipment offers a range of devices, including options from Google Nest. Monitoring centers operates 12 monitoring centers nationwide, ensuring reliable service. Contracts typically requires a contract, but offers a 6-month money-back guarantee. Comparison overview. Feature Cove, Vivint, ADT, ensuring reliable service. Installation, DIY, professional monitoring, $17.99 month, $29.99 month, $28.99 month. Smart home integration, limited, extensive, moderate, contracts none, possible if financing, typically required. Best for budget-conscious DIY, smart home enthusiasts, trusted professionals. Final thoughts. Choose Cove if you want an affordable, contract-free system with easy DIY installation. Opt for Vivint if you're looking for advanced features and seamless smart home integration. Go with ADT if you value professional monitoring from a trusted brand with extensive experience. Each of these systems has its strengths, so consider your specific needs and preferences when making a choice. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.